Guys, how you doing? And welcome you on my channel TFC All Engineer. Then now I'm gonna show you how can you install Play Store on your tablet Amazon. Why is it important to install Play Store on your tablet Amazon? Maybe you can say that it already have an App Store to do so. Yes, it has it. But when you try to download an application via App Store on Amazon tablet, it requires you to have a credit card to pay for that. But to solve that problem, Play Store will help you in that way. Then to do so, maybe you have a new tablet from Amazon, or you just have a tablet then you was reselling it. Then anyways it is, I have my tablet Amazon now. As you can see that here, Amazon tablet, and also we will use my computer desktop to install Play Store via my USB cable. Then to do so, my tablet is already have a Play Store. Then I will show you the process to do yours as mine. Then first of all, you have to go in settings. After you open settings, you're gonna see device option. Click on it. After you have device option, so if you're gonna see that below, you have serial number, and also below the last one we saw developer options. Then developer options is the one that we need to do what we're gonna do, but it may be not appear in your tablet. Why? Because if it is a brand new, it will not. And also, if you reset it, it will not also. Then you have to enable something. We're gonna see it's called ADB, and we're gonna enable it, and after you're gonna display it after. But if ever you don't see your developer options, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on serial number 7 times, and also it's gonna display developer options. For example, I can show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you see in note below, it says no need. You are already a developer. So if you don't have developer option, you're gonna click on serial number 7 times, and also to make it appear below it. If you already have it, you don't want it anymore, you're gonna just click on developer option like this. It's gonna display it on the page for you. Then now what I have told you is below debugging, you see enable ADB. ADB is enabled now in my tablet. I will disable it, and next enable it again. It's gonna pop up me a notification. Yes, enable. So now my tablet is ready to communicate with my PC or my computer, laptop, anyways, I don't know. So I have my PC here. Just I'm gonna connect my USB cable on my tablet. It's pop-ups a notification, and I'm gonna just say yes. It is something important. Just tell me that my tablet will not charge quickly because I am using it now. It's not a matter. That's okay. Okay. So after doing that, the second step is my computer. You have to open your computer, then open a browser, and on the browser you're gonna download the software, and after you're gonna install it directly on the tablet. The software's name is Amazon Fire 5 Generation Install Play Store. That's it. So you can just open your browser in Google and type that name, and you're gonna find it. For example, I tap it, and also it's displayed to me, and I click on it. It's gonna display that to me. 1 and second. The one is 109.52 megabit, and also is more loud than the first one. We're gonna select the second one. I click on it, I click on it, and after clicking on it, it's gonna show you that the downloading in here. I will just left click here. It's gonna show me exactly the file that I have downloaded. So after that, you're gonna see this file is zipped. Then I have to extract it first. Right click on it, extract all, and it's gonna be extracted. Okay, after that, this is the file I was extracting it. Now double click to open it, and what you're gonna see, the first one says install Play Store. This is the most important for me. I just click on it 2 times. What it says diamond started successfully. This is my device, and it says that a list of the thing I wanted to install. The first one, ADB driver install Google Play Store and remove ads from lock screen, block, and so on. But what I needed for now is install Google Play Store, the number 2. That's why here you're gonna see my pop-up here. I'm gonna type 2, number 2. That means the second one, and enter. It's gonna install for me the Google Play Store on my device. It says press any key to continue. Any key, and 4 applications is installing right now. The first one, the second one, and this is the third one, and this one is the last one. Press any key to continue. Yes, any key, and it say okay for this now on this device. Play Store is on my device. Let's check. I'm gonna see that on my device. Yes, go back here, and have you see Play Store? Yeah, everything is successful now. Play Store is on my device. As I told you, I was already download this app, for example, WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, GW Library, all of that times I was downloaded from Play Store without paying anything. So I just make this video for you. If you like it, just like it and subscribe. You can share it also to your friend and help others to know how they can solve that problem. Don't forget to subscribe, please.